Sorry guys, hello YouTube. Here's my Lego gun pistol that I made, blowback effect, extended magazine. So the mechanism is so simple. I'm gonna make a how-to mechanism, maybe, probably, if I get 100 views, probably. So I'm not going to show you the mechanism right now. Here. I'll show you that. That does blow back, of course. So fast you can't see it. See that? Can't see it. First, whenever I was trying to make it, going for a Glock, but it ended up like this. So you know, it looks more like a P226, kind of, because of the little thing in the front right there. I'll probably make a how-to on the mechanism. Like I said, the magazine just goes in smoothly. Oops, wrong way. So here's the gun with the extended magazine. Magazine is kinda, I'll put the gun away. The magazine is kinda detailed. Oops, camera. Okay, it's kind of focused. So here it is. Detail like the little thing here, the bullet kind of looks like a bullet, and this thing, both sides. Sorry, there's something that's on my computer screen. I'll cancel it. So yeah, going smoothly. It's not that rough too. Now you can see how the trigger works. Oh man, why did I show you guys? I should have. Well, if you get it, then please subscribe and, you know, make a response video to it. If you don't get it, then I'll still make a how-to video if I get 100 views, you know. If you get it and you make a response video, please subscribe to me. I'm right here. So yeah, that's basically it. The only technec pieces that you need, like, here, I'll count them because it's super simple. 5. Yeah, about 5 pieces. 5 technec pieces, and you guys probably have them. So yeah, the handle looks more like a Desert Eagle handle, but so just one more view. So yeah, the gun. Oh yeah, the gun. The only sealable rubber bands are this, and this, and that's all. That's all the rubber bands there are on this gun. So see ya.